The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good day to everyone joining us, and welcome to today's Xtalks webinar. Today's talk is entitled, How Do Visual Patient Profiles Help Medical Reviews in Complex Oncology Trials? My name is Margot, and I'll be your Xtalks moderator for today. Today's webinar will run for approximately 60 minutes, with time for a question and answer session with our speakers. This webinar is designed to be interactive, and webinars work best when you're involved. So please feel free to submit questions and comments for our speakers throughout the presentation using the questions chat box, and we'll try to attend your questions during the Q&A session. This chat box is located in the control panel on the right-hand side of your screen. If you require any assistance, please contact me at any time by sending a message using this chat panel. At this time, all participants are in listen-only mode. Please note that this event will be recorded and made available for future download. At this point, I'd like to thank Omnicom Systems, Inc., who helped develop the content for this presentation. Omnicom Systems, Inc. is a leading strategic software solutions provider to the life sciences industry. Omnicom is dedicated to helping the world's pharmaceutical, biotechnology, contract research organizations, diagnostic and device firms, and academic medical centers maximize the value of their clinical research investments. With an extensive global experience from more than 6,000 clinical trials, Omnicom provides comprehensive solutions for clinical research. Now I'd like to introduce our speakers for today's event. Nithya Anantha Krishnan founded Algorix and is now Senior Vice President of Data Sciences at Omnicom Systems, Inc. He is responsible for the development and delivery of the Acuity platform to medical data analytics and risk-based monitoring requirements. He joined Omnicom as part of the transaction in which Omnicom acquired certain assets of Algorix and its flagship solution, Acuity, which allows researchers to assess and capture the risk profile for a clinical trial and map risks to intelligent actions as part of RBM. As a sought-after speaker and moderator, he has delivered thought-leading presentations to prestigious industry groups around the globe. And now I'd like to introduce our second speaker, Dr. Ashok Srivastava. He is the CEO, Chief Medical Officer of Clinfometrix and the CEO of Cure Pharmaceuticals. He has more than 17 years of experience in drug development, medical affairs, and commercialization of cancer drugs, including radiopharmaceutical and supportive care, phase 1 to 4 trials, and marketing commercialization of immunotherapy oncology, hematology, oncology, and radiopharmaceutical drugs in the US, EU, and Japan. He is a leader in cancer drug development worldwide for phase 2 and 3 clinical trials. He also has contributed to 21 investigational new drug applications and 7 new drug applications of cancer drugs and supportive care. So without further ado, I would like to hand the presentation over to our speakers. You may begin whenever you're ready.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all the audience, wherever you are. This is Nithya Ananthakrishnan. And thanks, Margot, for the introduction. And thanks, Dr. Ashok, for making yourself available for this webinar.